Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply tap on the screen or press the button. Once you wake up the screen, press the button to open the menu, and after the menu opens you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called the system and tap on it. And here scroll down, find the option called power off and tap on it to select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And let's wait until the device turns off. It takes about a second or two. And as you can see, the device is turned off now. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.